Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to use the Radix Clients portal. Whether you're ordering services, filing income tax, processing payroll, managing projects, or staying connected with us, this platform is your one-stop solution for everything you need. In this video, we'll guide you through each feature of the portal, step by step. Let's get started. When you log into the Radix portal, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll find a quick overview of your recent projects, notifications, and shortcuts to commonly used features. Let's explore the main menu on the left-hand side. In this section, you can manage your information, including phone number, email address, etc. Under Account Settings tab, you can manage your login information. Under My Preferences, you can set how you want to get the notifications when you receive any message from our office. Under GDPR tab, you can control your data and request us to remove your account from our system. Under Two-Factor Authentication tab, you add more security on your account with OPT. It can be done with phone, SMS, or email. To order online services, click on the Store tab. Here you can browse through our available services, add items to your cart, and check out securely. Once your order is placed, you'll receive a confirmation email, and the progress of your order will be available in the project's menu section, which we'll cover shortly. Need to schedule a meeting or consultation? Head over to the Appointments tab. Select your preferred date and time, and confirm your booking. Very easy, right? The Files section is your secure document storage. Upload files related to your services you ordered online and projects, download shared files from us, or organize your documents into folders. This keeps everything in one place for easy access. Have questions or need support? The Messages feature lets you send a direct message to our admin team. Simply start a new conversation, type your message, and hit Send. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can use the tools available under Payroll Tools tab to report your employees' hours and get the payroll done with in your Radix portal. Under the Projects category, you can track the status of your orders. You'll see updates as your project moves through different stages, from start to completion stage in real time. This transparency keeps you informed every step of the way. Under Events tab, you can create events, reminder on calendar, and organize your tasks. Whenever we need to get your signatures on any document, we will share those documents under Contracts tab, and you can sign those electronically. To view and pay invoices, go to the Invoices section. Here you'll find a list of all your invoices, their due dates, and payment status. Choose an invoice and pay securely using your preferred payment method. Under Payments tab, you will get information all payments you made for our invoices. Keep watching the Announcement tab for recent updates from Radix Office regarding income tax, payroll, and other services. There are other tools available on the top side of your portal. If you click three lines icon on top left side, you can hide the left menu section and expand your working space. Next icon, the tick mark, is to create to-do list, which can help you to organize your daily tasks. Clock icon on your right side can help you to create reminders. Bell icon will keep all the notifications and inform you if there is any update from Radix Office. Under Envelope icon, you will be informed if you receive any message from Radix Office. Make the portal your own. In the Settings tab, you can update your profile information, can change the portal theme colors to match your preferences, can update your password for added security. These options ensure the portal feels personalized and secure. And that's it. Using the Radix Clients portal is simple and convenient. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing Radix Accounting, and we're excited to help you achieve your goals. For more details about each section of our Radix Clients portal, please watch our other videos we made to explain how to use each section of the portal.